To process final pay in this system, the first step is to review and approve any pending labor requests from the employer for the employee being terminated. This is done by clicking on the Payroll option, selecting Leave, and then approving any pending leave requests that occurred prior to the termination date, while rejecting any requests made after this date. Once this is complete, the system's pay settings need to be configured. This involves clicking on Payroll, then Employees, selecting the employee's profile, and clicking on Leave. From here, each leave type needs to be set up. For the annual leave, the Paid Out option should be selected for the unused balance. The same process is followed for other leave types, such as personal or sick leave, but the Not Paid Out option is selected, unless specified otherwise by company policy or employment agreements. After configuring the pay settings, the next step is to process the final pay. This is done by clicking on the Payroll menu, then Pay Employees, and adding a new pay run. The pay period is selected, and the draft pay run is opened. The terminating employee is then included by clicking on the check mark next to their name, and the Set as Final Pay button is clicked. The termination date and reason are then selected, along with the relevant pay period earnings or average earnings. The pay slip is reviewed to ensure all components are accurately reflected, and then saved and finalized.